What's up? This is Joy coming back with another video, guys. If you are new or returning, I want to say thank you, guys. I appreciate it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment, and hit that bell for post notifications if you haven't done so already. So listen, I'm not going to talk you through this intro. Otherwise, listen, I'll be skipping like the first 5 minutes. I do that. I'm a skipper, okay? I just do that. Yeah. Okay, so listen, there's a new grant out, guys. This is like the spring round. This is for my restaurant owners, guys. Are you having trouble due to COVID, any type of natural disasters? This is for you. So listen up. This is called the Restaurant Disaster Relief Fund. Okay, so basically, let me tell you a little bit about this. So what happened is DoorDash has partnered up with Hello Alice and has started a $1 million restaurant disaster relief fund. Okay, this is going to provide grants to local restaurants across the U.S., guys, that's been affected by natural disasters. So small businesses you're basically the center of local economies, yet nearly 40% of small businesses are unable to reopen after a natural disaster per FEMA. All right, so basically, a disaster can occur at any moment, okay? And it's crucial when it comes to the funding, okay? All right, so basically, DoorDash is proud to launch this grant opportunity as a part of its ongoing 5-year, $200 million Main Street Strong pledge to empower the local communities, okay? I want to let you know that the applications are open for the spring funding, all right? And it's going to be from now until June 30th, 2022 at 6 p.m. Eastern Time. All right, so to be eligible, your restaurant must be experiencing a hardship due to a state, a tribal, or local federally declared natural disaster. All right, you must have and operate a brick and mortar location that has been open for at least 6 months and have a demonstrated need. You got to have that need with a clear plan for use of the funds. Now, I do want to let you know that a partnership with DoorDash is not required. So I know that was like the next question going through somebody's head. You do not have to be a part of DoorDash to apply for this, okay? So that's the cool thing about it as well. Also, I want to let you know, a lot of people always have extra questions about the further requirements, about the location, what countries they're in, and the age limits. Just click right here for a full list of eligibility criteria, okay? It's going to open up a new tab. And we're going to go to eligibility. The main questions is, I'm out of the country. Do I still apply? Well, you must be a legal resident of one of the 50 U.S. states, the District of Columbia, or Puerto Rico. All right. Age limit, you got to be 18 years of age or older. Here you go, Alabama. 19 in Alabama. I always got to push it. All right. I'm from Alabama, y'all. But yeah, 19 in Alabama and NE. All right. And there's some more eligibility requirements here. You take the time out. You can read it. And guys, the cool thing about this grant, it doesn't take much time. It's like 40 questions or so. When you take a break, when you take a lunch, go ahead and get your cell phone and apply. Just go ahead and apply because your family is dependent on this. You are dependent on this. When one grant closes, there is always another grant to open. If you see one of my previous videos, there is a $20,000 grant that's good until July. So this one expires June 30th. The other grant that I have, that Hello Alice has available is good to July 15th. There's also another video that I'm going to put out that's going to be good to mid-August. So we're going to keep it coming for the whole year, guys. Take that time out to apply. It's going to ask you a few questions. I am in my account, so I may not go as far as I would like because my information is here and for privacy reasons, guys. So simple questions like this. What is your first and last name? Basically, what is the best phone number? Things like that. It's going to ask you a few questions. What race do you identify with? Asian, Black, Hispanic, Middle Eastern, and then you're going to get down to those questions. Why do you want this grant? What are you going to use the funds for? And with this grant, you can use it to pay the rent, pay the mortgage, pay the utilities, beverage order, whatever you need, you're going to be able to use this grant for. So guys, I'm going to stop here. I want to make sure that when we end this video, you go ahead and log into any device, your laptop, your desktop, your mobile device. Apply for these grants. I'm going to keep them coming for you. And what I need you to do for me, go ahead and apply so we can all be great together. You don't have to pay this money back. And until next time, stay safe, stay trust in Christ. And yeah. Until next time.